Irony here, welcome to Krazee Adventures. Today, we'll be heading out to Fall Creek Waterfall, also known as Deshazo Mill Fall in Stoneville, North Carolina. Join us to see where the road leads us. Fall Creek Waterfall is located in the Mayo River State Park. The park covers 2,778 acres along the Mayo River, and it adjoins a Virginia State Park of the same name. We pulled into the parking area that appears to have room for about 20 vehicles. The trail starts by the kiosk, which lists the park rules. The park is open sunrise to sunset. There is no fee for day use. Pets are allowed and must be on an attended leash of no longer than 6 feet at all times. There are no restrooms, and there is no cell reception. The kiosk indicates that the 15-foot waterfall is located 2/10 of a mile from the kiosk, and the Bird's Ledge is an additional half mile along Fall Creek where it converges with the Mayo River. Due to a packed schedule, we were only able to check out the waterfall. Passing a few picnic tables and grills, the trail starts as a wider, hard-packed trail with some gravel before turning to packed dirt. The well-maintained trail leads to a bench at the top of the falls. After enjoying the view and sound of the waterfall, we continued down the stone steps that lead to the base of the falls. The Deshazo Mill access is located in Stoneville. Stoneville is a town in Rockingham County, North Carolina, It has a total area of 1.43 square miles. It is at an elevation of 814 feet. The population was 1,308 in 2020. The zip code is 27048, and the area code is 336.
We rolled out early with the rising sun. The adventures begin. Hunting for fun. Left the fast lanes to the weekday crowd. Took a turn where the trees leaned down. No signs, just whispers in the pines. A glance from you and I knew the lines. A crooked path is where we're meant to be. You and me and the in-between. Oh, we're chasing light through covered bridges, trading time for winding wishes. Radio up, your hand on my knee. Secrets bloom on broken streets. The brown signs lead to happy treats. Making way through rough terrain. We're finding us on every lane. The flea market kiss in a town with no name. We danced on the green in a soft autumn rain. You said somewhere's just a state of mind, and I believed you the very first time. Gravel roads and blueberry skies, old ghost towns with the watchful eyes. We're getting lost just perfectly in wild directions meant for me. Yeah, we're chasing light through covered bridges, trading time for winding wishes. Laughing where the river's been, just you and me. Secrets humming roadside trees. Every curve's a little key, unlocking places that the highways miss. And every mile feels more like this.
Let us know where you think we should explore next. Be sure to check the video description for the addresses of our stops today so you can plan a future adventure yourself. Can't wait to see where the road takes us next.